Did you know that mangroves plays a key role in supporting their ecosystems and reducing the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere? Driven by the fourth industrial revolution, ENGIE's Blue Carbon project seeks to rehabilitate mangrove habitats using three major technology-driven innovations. Highly accurate real-time kinematic GPS data is used to correlate actual water depth and tide lines, to map out the depth and type of mud throughout the plantation. This is the first time this technology has been used for this purpose. Ground control points are used to bring the relative accuracy of maps to nearly sub-centimeter levels. A multispectral map is then created that identifies the healthiest area of the mangroves for plantation. And over time, similar maps will be developed that monitor the health of the area. By combining this data, the team can identify the best areas, the best time, and the best mechanism for aerial seed delivery, as well as using the data to optimize the drone's flight routes. A heavy-lift X8 multicopter can carry up to 25 kilograms of seeds. Depending on soil, elevation, and tidal characteristics, three types of dropping mechanisms can be used. 1. Handfuls of seeds. 2. Individual seeds. And 3. A seed ball is used where weight is needed to help bury the seeds in hard soil. And requires CAD software and 3D printers to go through dozens of different drop mechanisms. The germination of the propagules or seed balls is critical. Germinating them in nutrient-enriched water helps them more than a regular mix of fresh water and seawater. The type of seed ball is highly dependent on the area. Soft, deep, nutrient-rich soil may not require seed balls at all, whereas harder, sandy soil requires more nutrients encased in a harder seed ball for penetration into the soil. Due to our long presence in the UAE, the first Blue Carbon project was initiated in Mirfa, Abu Dhabi, where in partnership with the Environmental Agency Abu Dhabi, ENGIE is planting 10,000 seeds using this highly innovative drone technology. It was a collaborative team effort comprising ENGIE's project team, ecologists, drone engineers, Blue Carbon experts, and local partners. This is a first for the region, and over the next 10 years, the team will need to closely monitor the mangroves' development. This project highlights ENGIE's commitment to using innovative solutions together with local partners to support the transition towards a carbon-neutral world.